and welcome back to Before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we're going to be making an apple pie martini. Oh my gosh, that already sounds so exciting. First question of the day, have you ever tried an apple pie martini? And if so, leave that down in the comment section. So we're going to get right into it. The ingredients we're going to be using today is vodka, and you know I love my extra smooth vodka. The next ingredient we're going to use is Torani green apple syrup, because you guys know I love some Torani syrup recipes. The next ingredient we're going to use is Torani shortbread syrup. And I'm going to get my measuring device out here, and we're going to put in 3 ounces of the vodka. And make sure that your shaker is filled with ice, because you will be shaking that for like 20 to 30 seconds. So that's 1. Here is the second pour, and 1 more shall do it. All right, the next ingredient that I'm going to put in is, we're going to use is the green apple syrup here. Ooh, that smells good. And then we are going to use the shortbread, which actually this is my first time ever even using a shortbread. So we're going to measure out this shortbread here. Woo! This smells, oh my gosh, like it's a whole smell I never really smelled before in a drink. Wow, this is great. All right, now we're going to go ahead and mix this up in your shaker for about 20 seconds. Make sure that cap is on there good. All right, so after you finish shaking, go ahead and put your strainer on top, and we are going to pour. Wow, that looks very, very delicious. Smells good too. Now we're going to do the taste test. Get your handy dandy straw. My straw here is from a company called Helm out of Germany, and this straw is fantastic. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, that is definitely an apple pie martini. So, tastes amazing too. Very, very good. So, thank you again for watching another episode of Before 5. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Boy, was this hard to take off. I even had to take off my ring.